Hi and welcome to my Prosper English YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperenglish.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Some lexical words consist of just one morpheme, but many consist of more than one morpheme. Such complex forms are created in one or more of the morphological processes: inflection, derivation, and compounding. Let's have a look at inflection first. Lexical words may be inflected. Inflection is a process in which the identity and class of a word doesn't change. So the word is still the same lexeme belonging to the same class. So a verb is still a verb when inflected, and an adverb is still an adverb. There are different categories for each word class that are marked by inflection. Here they are along with some examples. Nouns. There is the base form, like teacher. The plural form, like teachers. And the genitive form in singular and plural, teachers. Written like this, or like this in plural. Verbs. Here we have the base form like get. Then we have the third person singular present indicative form like gets. Then we have the past tense form got. The past participle form like got or gotten. And the present participle form getting. Adjectives. There is the base form, like old, the comparative form, older, and the superlative form, oldest. Naturally, only some adjectives are inflected like this. Adverbs. There is the base form, like soon, the comparative form, like sooner, and the superlative form like soonest. And there are even fewer adverbs that are inflected for comparison. The genitive form of the noun is a bit problematic because the genitive suffix is attached to the whole phrase, not just the noun. Like in this example, the mother of three's husband. The genitive ending attached to this whole phrase. Now let's have a look at derivation. Derivation is another morphological process. This process leads to the creation of new lexemes. The new words either have different meanings or belong to different classes. In the process of derivation, new words are created by means of prefixes and suffixes. Here are some examples of words created in the process of derivation, which have different meanings but belong to the same class. Do, undo. Both are verbs but with opposite meanings. Child and childhood. Both are nouns but with different meanings. Yellow, yellowish. Both are adjectives but with slightly different meanings. And here are some examples of words which change class but not the general meaning. Central, adjective. Centralize, verb. Deny, verb. Denial, noun. Fog, noun. Foggy, adjective. Derivation may be more complex than this. This is the case if more than one prefix and or suffix is added, like for example in the word counterproductive. Or inflection and derivation may work hand in hand, like in the word decentralizes, where D and I's are derivational affixes and S is an inflectional suffix. In such cases, inflectional suffixes always follow derivational suffixes. Finally, there is compounding. In the process of compounding, new words are created by combining independent bases. There are many options, but the most common ones are noun plus noun, like girl plus friend gives girlfriend. Verb plus noun, like guess plus work becomes guesswork. Adjective plus noun, black plus bird, blackbird. Or noun plus adjective, like sugar plus free, sugar-free. Compounds are usually written as one word or with a hyphen. Their meaning may be predictable from its components, like with sugar-free, but it may also be unpredictable, like with chairman, which is not just a combination of a chair and a man, whatever it might be, or blackbird, which is not just any bird that is black, but a specific species of bird. There is often a difference in word stress as well. Compare the compound blackbird and the phrase blackbird. In the former, the first syllable is stressed, blackbird, whereas in the latter, the second word is stressed, blackbird. Another difference between compounds and phrases lies in possibilities of substitution. There are none or hardly any in case of compounds, whereas with phrases they are practically unlimited. Here are two examples again, blackbird and blackbird. Let's try the phrase first. You can substitute either the first or the second word and still obtain something meaningful. Black cat, or black door, or black table. Or, substituting the first part, bluebird, or big bird, or nice bird. But you can't do it with compounds. Words like black cat, black door, black table, big bird, nice bird don't exist. Sometimes substitution is possible though. Bluebird is an example. It's another species of bird. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.